everyone, so I wanted to do a brief course overview to point out certain areas that I think are easily missed. If you are new to Canvas, I would encourage you to make sure you click on the Canvas orientation module link here to help you understand how to move throughout this online course. You have two toolbars here on the far left. You have the global toolbar, which is where you can find the inbox, which is the best way to email me during the weeks of this semester. And then you have the internal toolbar area for this class. I will be turning off some of these because these three we're not using at all. But if you have a question on how to navigate through Canvas, you can hit the help button here and type in your area that you're looking for. The most important aspect is to click the module view. You can click it here, or you can go down and you can click on one of the modules as we go through the weeks. These will take you directly to the same place. Of course, you should review the welcome video, which is linked to here on the home page. You should read all the information that's provided here on the home page. And then you want to open and look at the course syllabus. I highly suggest that you print this document out. In order to print it out, you would have to first download it and then print it out to your computer. You also can access the syllabus if you want to view it online. Do this way. It's the same information, just without some of the graphical pictures that you may see when you download it. So this course is divided into modules. You have the Canvas orientation module, then you have some important college and departmental resources for Santa Barbara City College. Then you have some course resources, which includes the syllabus again and the student lounge area. The student lounge area is an area where you can post general questions you may have related to the HIT/HIM field, our department here at SBCC, and this area is open all semester for you to post and share information just as if you were talking to myself and your classmates before classes begins, if we were in a face-to-face environment. Then I have included some additional links you may find helpful. The California Health Information Association link on the exam reimbursement program, which we'll talk about later in the course itself. Some RHIT exam flashcards, and various links that you should pay attention to. Then we have the first week, and you scroll down, you'll see all of the additional weeks. This is a review class, and so there is some flexibility, I guess, on some of the requirements. One of the graded elements that you need to pay attention to is the graded discussions. You need to post within the week that it is required for. But most of the other assessment elements, such as the study schedule assignments, the overall knowledge assessment, and the individual domain assessments, you do have a flexibility on when you complete them. As long as they are completed by the end of the course, that's acceptable. But it's really helpful to stay on track and to be able to figure out what areas you need to study more on your own, perhaps, while you're in this class, and most likely after you finish this class. It's really helpful for you to take these assessments in a timely manner. If you don't take them at all, you get no points. But you can certainly wait and take them, maybe all, take them in week 2, etc. Another unique thing about this class is even though the weeks are divided out on the modules, everything is open to you when the course begins. So you can move along quickly if you want to. You can also go back, and you can also take these assessments, this assessment, the Domain 1 assessment, the Domain 3 assessment, the Domain 2 assessment, You can take them multiple times. And so I encourage you to do that. And once you start on your study schedule assignment, you may want to make changes to it before you submit it in the course, or you want to make changes to it as you progress through the course because you figure out that there's certain areas that you need to pay more attention to than others. Those areas are related to what's called the domains. I also have included at least 2 snapshots, I like to call them, from recent HIT graduates about their RHIT experience. There's one in the beginning, and there's one here at the end in the last module. Each week you will see a weekly announcement, at least one. There's some weeks there's more than one because I wanted to share additional resources. The announcements, the most recent 3 announcements, will show at the top of the home page once they are open. To fully see the announcements, you would need to open it, click on it to view it. If you have any questions on this overview, please let me know. Please make sure to read the syllabus very carefully. And again, I highly recommend that you print out the syllabus so that you are able to access the syllabus when you are not online in the course. Take care, everyone.